Sloane, Q, show mommy bad cough. Do you have a bad cough today? Oh. Oh, are you getting so sick? Do you have such a bad cough? Oh, that's a bad cough. Do you have a bad cough? Are all your dinosaurs going nine-nine? Nine-nine. Do you have a bad cough? Oh, goodness. You poor thing. Oh, goodness. Can you say bye-bye-bye? You wave bye-bye-bye. Good job. Good job. Boop.